Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for a Portuguese-inspired chicken dish which is extremely popular in Goa. Fresh chicken pieces are marinated with a deliciously spicy green paste. Kept overnight and then fried to succulent perfection. Our recipe for today is Chicken Cafreal, also known as Galinha Cafreal. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. Take 1 kg of whole chicken leg pieces. Make shallow cuts on the chicken pieces so that it can absorb the marinade properly. We prefer leg pieces as they come out succulent, but you can also use chicken breasts. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, do write a comment to let us know your feedback on this recipe, and please press that like button if you appreciate our efforts to bring you these detailed recipe videos. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Apply it properly on both sides.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Cover and keep aside for half an hour. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 1-inch size ball of tamarind, discard the seeds, clean it nicely and place it in a bowl. Add half cup of warm water and let the tamarind soak in the water for at least 20 minutes. Take 1.5 teaspoon of black peppercorns. In case you prefer it less spicy, then add only 1 teaspoon. 1.5-inch stick of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, 6 to 8 cloves, 1.5-inch piece of ginger, finely cut, 12 medium cloves of garlic, finely cut, 4 to 6 green chilies of medium size, finely cut. In case you prefer it less spicy, then add only 4 chilies. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 2 cups of roughly cut coriander or cilantro leaves. 3 tablespoons of Goan vinegar. If Goan vinegar is not available, apple cider or palm vinegar can also be used. 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the Cafreal paste. In a mixer grinder, add the coriander leaves, add the tamarind with water, add all the other ingredients.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Now add the vinegar, add the salt, grind it to a smooth paste. If needed, you can add very little water. Cafreal paste is ready. Apply the Cafreal paste to the chicken pieces. Ensure all the chicken pieces are coated well with the Cafreal paste. Cover and keep aside for at least 3 hours or overnight in the refrigerator. It is best to keep it overnight to get the best flavor and taste of Cafreal. Step 4. Preparing the Chicken Cafreal. Place an open, heavy bottom pan on medium-low heat and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces but do not add the marinade. Keep it aside to add later. Fry the chicken for 5 minutes without stirring and do not cover the pan. After 5 minutes, turn the chicken pieces and cook for another 5 minutes. This process will lock in the juices and make your chicken cafreal juicy and succulent. Otherwise, it will become very dry. To achieve the best results, follow the instructions to fry the chicken properly. After 5 minutes, add the remaining marinade. Adding marinade at this stage will make the final chicken tender, juicy and tasty. Now turn the chicken pieces. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Add a little water if required. After 5 minutes, open the cover. Release any marinade that is stuck to the pan. Do write a comment to let us know your feedback on this recipe, and please press that like button if you appreciate our efforts to bring you these detailed recipe videos. Check for salt and add if required. Now turn the chicken pieces. Cook for another 5 minutes or until the chicken is done.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Total cooking time should be at least 20 minutes for the chicken to be fully cooked. If you overcook the chicken, it will become very dry. Cooking time will also depend on the type of chicken and the cut you are using. Check to make sure the chicken is done before you turn off the heat. Serve the chicken cafreal hot with bread, potato wedges, lime wedges and salad. Delicious chicken cafreal is ready.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.